I am going to show you how to get this amazing Lady Gaga Grammys 2026 makeup look. Sarah did the House Labs version, so I'm going to do the Drugstore version for us brokies. I'm underpainting my contour with this Shein liquid contour. I'm not going to lie, I hate it. I hate everything about this contour, so don't buy this one. I prefer the e.l.f. contour, but anyway. I'm contouring under my cheekbones, my buccal fat area, my forehead, my jawline, my nose, and up the center of the tip, and then I'm just gonna make the little kind of dimply areas a bit more pronounced, and also my forehead. And I'm creating a winged eye shape in the hollows of my eyes, going up to my temples and underneath the lash line. And then I'm gonna paint the high points of my face using the Misha Cushion Foundation in a shade a little bit too light for my skin. So I'm gonna go over the bridge of the nose, the brow bone, the forehead, my tear duct and under eyes, as well as my chin, the high points of my cheek and my jawline. And then I'm going to blend that all together using the Maybelline Dream Radiance liquid in the color 01. Using the color Sculpt from the NYX Pro Contour palette, I'm going to go over all of my contour, and this will also set down the foundation that we just laid down. So I'm just going to go over my cheekbones, my jawline, under the chin to make sure we're not chin strapping, my forehead, my buccal fat area, and my eyes. And then I'm going to really gently go over my nose contour. And then I go up the center with a bullet tip brush. And now I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the color 001, and I'm going over all of the high points of my face with a triangular powder puff. This is going to set down all of the foundation and cream products that we've used, and it's also going to emphasize my bone structure. Now I'm using a mauve brown shade from the Erinde palette. I got this from Amazon. I love it though. It's such a good palette. It was just cheap, but really good. I'm going to go into the hollows of my eyes under my brow bone and go over the wing that we created with contour, and also on the lower lash line. Now I like to blend my powder products before I start my eyeliner or mascara. I'm using the Rimmel Soft Kohl in the color Sable Brown, and I'm going to trace around my tear duct, and I'm tightlining with that. Then I'm going to do a mini wing and diffuse it out. I'm only taking the wing to halfway on the lash line. Then I'm going to finish the lid by tapping on a little bit of Afterglow from the Levian Glow palette by L'Oreal. I'm going to brush out my brows using a spoolie and line underneath them using the e.l.f. pencil in the color Taupe. And I'm going to brush through the Creator Revolution brow pomade in the color Bleach. And now I'm curling my lashes, and I'm using the Rimmel Thrill Seeker mascara in the color Cappuccino. Of course, we can't forget Lady Gaga's beauty mark underneath her right eye, so I'm gonna draw that in using a NYX felt tip eyeliner in black. Now I'm lining my lips with the color Rich Mitch from the Made by Mitchell All Lip No Trip collection, and I'm creating a relatively fat line with the corners filled in. And now filling in my lips with the L'Oreal Lac Resistance in the color 420 Le Rouge Paris. And now I'm just gonna pop on my wig. I know she's orange, I need to tone her, but ignore the foundation in it, she's still cute. So that is it, my Lady Gaga Grammys 2026 makeup tutorial using all Drugstore products. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to press all the buttons, it really helps me out, and let me know what you want to see next or what you thought of the video. And thank you so much, have an amazing day. Mwah. Bye.